Hey, hello, welcome back guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Dollar Shave Club membership, and all official ways, all methods you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
Cancel Dollar Shave Club over the phone. You will be required to dial the number 310 975 8528 on your phone, and you will be connected with one of their customer support representatives who you can speak with and make a request to terminate the subscription to Dollar Shave Club for you. They will ask you to provide them with some important details related to your subscription, so do as directed and they will be able to immediately process the cancellation request of your subscription. Make sure to ask them to provide you with a confirmation message once the subscription is successfully terminated. And you are done. Cancel Dollar Shave Club online. Open a web browser on your device and head to the official website of Dollar Shave Club. Log into your respective account where you want to cancel the subscription from. Head to the subscription page of your account. Scroll down and you will see the cancel option. Get through it. Provide a suitable reason why you are cancelling the subscription. Confirm your decision and submit it. And you are done.
My dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your Dollar Shave Club. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.